Hello and welcome. My name is Gian Carlo Bavaro, reverse mortgage specialist right here in sunny South Florida. And I hope you're doing well today. Thank you so much for visiting my video series all about reverse mortgages from start to finish by yours truly, Gian Bavaro. And I'm making this short video series for two different audiences. One, if you're a homeowner age 55 and older and you've been considering a reverse mortgage, or two, if you're a financial planner or financial advisor interested in advising your clients in the best way possible about reverse mortgages, I want you to keep watching. So before we begin, a little bit about myself. My name is Gian Bavaro. I'm a licensed reverse mortgage specialist right here in Broward County, Florida. And I've had the pleasure of helping over 500 families with their mortgage and real estate needs. I've been doing this for 7 years, and reverse mortgages are my absolute passion. You see, according to a recent study, there's over $12.36 trillion locked up in home equity for seniors age 62 and older. So that's $12.36 trillion that's in home equity that is untapped, that is waiting to be tapped into. So let's begin. What is a reverse mortgage and how is it different from a regular mortgage? Well, a reverse mortgage is simply this, and I'll give you an example. With a forward mortgage, you typically take out a loan for, let's say, 30 years, and you make payments to your bank every single month. The difference with a reverse mortgage is it actually works in reverse. So that means instead of you paying the bank every single month, the bank actually pays you. Does that make sense? Not everyone can qualify for a reverse mortgage. It's only for specific people. So the typical age to get a reverse mortgage is 62 years of age. However, we have some programs where we're able to go down to 55 years of age. Okay? Second, you've got to be a homeowner. So you've got to own your own home. You can have a single family home, a condo, a townhome, 2 to 4 unit property, and in some instances, even a manufactured home. You also do need equity in your home, and the calculation is based off of your age and the equity that you have in your home. So if you want to see how much you can qualify for with the reverse mortgage, it's really based off of age and equity in your home and, of course, current interest rates. Does that make sense? So I know just a moment ago I said that the bank actually pays you. And so now you might be wondering, well, how does a bank actually make money? They're not writing these loans for free. And you would be absolutely correct. The banks don't write these loans for free. And indeed, these are loans and these are borrowed funds. So at what point does a reverse mortgage come due? So there are some instances when the loan would become due. The first is upon passing. So when you and your eligible spouse both pass, the loan becomes due. Second, if you no longer live in the home as your primary residence, the loan becomes due. 3, if you're not paying your taxes and insurance and monthly association dues, if you have association dues, the loan becomes due. 4, if you're not maintaining the home in livable condition, the loan can become due. Does that make sense? So who is a reverse mortgage good for? Well, a reverse mortgage is good for someone that plans to stay in their home long term, that is looking to tap into the equity of their home, whether they need the reverse mortgage or not. And in the previous videos, we're going to talk about some investment strategies that some of my other clients have done using a reverse mortgage. So this was just the intro to get your feet wet and give you some of the basics. Stay tuned for the next video. Again, Gian Bavaro, your reverse mortgage specialist right here in sunny South Florida. If you'd like to contact me, please take a look at the description below for my phone number. Thank you so much.